Hi Trumpets, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be using our Accent Book 1 and we'll be learning page number 12 together. On page number 12 in the upper left hand corner, this page is about eighth notes and it shows us eighth notes in a group of 2, but eighth notes could be in a group of 4 as well. And it tells us that eighth notes receive half of a beat in 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time. We count our eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another thing on this page is the tempo marking and the term andante. That's a moderately slow tempo. One last thing to learn is another term, the variation. A variation is when we change the rhythm or notes of a theme to create some variety. And that's why it's called a variation. We'll use and explore all of those things today on page number 12. First up, eighth notes with number 32, the eighth note express. This one we count like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's try playing number 32. 1, 2, and ready, go. Now, if you need to, replay number 32 if you're just warming up or if you made some mistakes. Now we'll move on to number 33, and that's the rhythm riddle. It says clap first, then play. Ready? Ready and go. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1 and 2, 1, 2. Rest. 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's try playing what we clapped. 1, 2, ready, go. Well done. Remember that a tie joins 2 of the same notes. And at the end of number 33, the rhythm riddle, there was 2 C quarter notes tied together to make one 2-beat tone, a C. Also, in that exercise, make sure that you were playing your B naturals with your second finger rather than a B flat. Let's jump to number 34, Bile Them Cabbage Down. This is an American fiddle tune, and it has all of those eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready and go. Did you remember to repeat because of the repeat sign? Yeah, if you didn't, go back and practice it with me one more time. You want to practice for mastery on every one of these exercises, so go back and play it with the repeat. Next up is number 35, the Surprise Symphony. This is a very famous piece by Franz Joseph Haydn. Today, we've got a theme and variation. Line number 1 of exercise 35 is the theme to the Surprise Symphony that we know. But lines 2 and 3, some of the notes and rhythms have been changed just slightly to make a variation, just like it taught us at the top of the page. Play it with me, number 35. And 1, 2, ready. done. How did you do? Did you make any mistakes that you can go back and fix by replaying the exercise with me? Great. Our last exercise is an accent on creativity variation on lightly row. This one you're going to need a pencil for. It says, create your own variation by changing some of the quarter notes into pairs of eighth notes. They did one for you in measure number 1, and you can see that slightly in gray. So let's play through this exercise, and then it'll be up to you to create your variation. So here's the theme. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. And there you have it. Now, grab your pencil and use it to make some of those single quarter notes into a pair of eighth notes. Then show somebody your work and then try playing it and play it for somebody. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.